Most people are familiar with the functions COUNTIF and SUMIF in Excel, but what if you have multiple conditions that need to be met for your count or sum? Sure, there are some more complex formulas you can use to get the same result, but with the plural forms of these functions, you can get what you need quickly and easily with up to 127 different conditions. In this simple scenario, first I want to count how many instances where the Europe region had an expense for product A. My formula to do this is COUNTIFS with the range and criteria for each condition. My formula in cell D19 is counting the number of times my listed criteria is met. In this case, where column B is equal to Europe and column C is equal to A. Now, I want to get a total cost for each region and for each product line. This is where we use the SUMIFS formula. For instance, I want the totals from column D added together, but only where column B is Americas and column C is product A for my first total. My formula displayed here is summing column D, where this criteria is met. Don't forget, you can use absolute and cell reference to easily copy and apply this formula to the rest of your table.